Robots aren't science fiction anymore. They're in showrooms, factories, and labs, and some of them are getting a little unpredictable. One just snapped in the middle of a demo. Another is dancing in a dealership, and a few can be built in your garage. Welcome to Uprising AI, and today we're diving into the rise of humanoid robots that are getting dangerously close to real.
Let's start with the viral moment that blew up Reddit. In a Chinese factory, a half-assembled humanoid rigged to a crane suddenly freaked out mid-test. What was supposed to be a simple motion range test turned into a flailing frenzy. Arms swung, cables twisted, tools flew. 20 seconds of mechanical meltdown, an instant internet legend. Was it a glitch? A servo spike? A taste of Skynet? Either way, this was the first humanoid tantrum to go truly viral.
Meanwhile, in China, Chery Automotive just introduced its newest employee, a humanoid android named Morin. Blonde, ponytailed, sunglasses on, and priced like a luxury car. Morin is stationed in showrooms, greeting customers, answering product questions, and yes, serving bottled water. This isn't a gimmick. Chery has plans to ship 220 units to dealerships. One's already at work in Malaysia. She sees in 360 degrees, feels brochure taps, and dances. Yes, someone taught the robot how to shake it.
Now let's talk practicality. Over in Germany, Iggy GmbH has spent 15 years collecting polymer friction data and turned it into a robot. Their humanoid, the Iggy Rob, runs for 8 hours, bolts to a mobile base, and undercuts the price of Tesla's Optimus. Starting around $54,000, it's modular, ROS2 compatible, and plug-and-play with German factory dashboards. No fancy faces, no TikTok dances, just solid ROI and a business-first sales pitch. Test it live and buy if it makes sense.
Back in the US, University of California, Berkeley dropped a full humanoid project for under $5,000. You can 3D print it, wire it, and train it from home. They released CAD files, firmware, and a walking AI policy trained in simulation. No hand coding needed. It's small, kinda janky, but totally real. Garage tinkerers are already upgrading the legs, battery life, and firmware.
And now for the big leagues. Hyundai, the car giant, owns Boston Dynamics, and they're putting Atlas robots to work in a Georgia factory building 300,000 cars a year. Spot, their four-legged bot, already patrols for safety. Atlas will now join the line, stepping over conveyor belts and working alongside humans. This is the factory of the future, and it's happening now. Robots are now working in factories, retail floors, college labs, and yes, occasionally throwing fits. The question is no longer if they'll be part of daily life, it's how soon they'll be part of yours. Drop a comment below. Would you trust a humanoid coworker? Or are we building the first generation of metal coworkers with attitudes? Hit like, subscribe to Uprising AI, and don't miss the next video. This revolution is just warming up.